Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are conducting the webinar on top features of ease accountant activities. Means how busy can help to accountant to manage the data accounting activities and the taxation activities. As you know that Busy is very user-friendly software. It is a complete solution for any business. We provide all the features which is belongs to your business needs. So we provide all the features with very powerful configuration in Busy software. And if you are using Busy software, that is good for your business, that is good for your growing. So now I'm going to start the webinar. If you have any doubts and queries in the webinar, you can ask me at the end of this session. So I will explain you all the features which is belongs to the accountant activities. And if you are accountant, so you can use this feature for your data management, your taxation managing, your accounting activities management. So all the features I will explain you one by one. Now let me start the webinar. Please listen webinar very carefully. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can note down in your notepad and you can send me in the Q&A. I will handle your query. I will reply you. First of all, so Busy provides most of the accounting feature in the software. So I will explain you one by one. The first feature is bill by bill detail. So this is most important feature for the accountant, because if you are dealing in the credit, if you are selling and purchasing your material in credit by credit, so you have to maintain bill by bill feature. So with the help of bill by bill feature, you can manage your outstanding due dates of bills and the references also. So this is very important feature for the accountant. Next is credit limit for parties. So in Busy, we provide this feature credit limit for parties. You can decide the credit limit for a sundry creditor and debtor. You can define the credit limit. And if a credit limit amount is exceeding at the time of transaction, then warning will appear on the voucher. So you can stop the transaction. So credit limit feature is also available. Budget on expenses. So if you want to define the amount on budget account master, so you can define the budget amount at annual or monthly basis. And if a budget amount is exceeding in the transaction, then warning will appear and you can stop the transaction. You can check the budget limit variance report also available. Cost centers for accounts. So this is very important feature for accountant. You can define the department like sales department, purchase department, or any other department in cost center. You can create this cost center, and when you create the transaction, you can select the cost centers, and as per you are selecting the cost center in the transaction, you can view the reports. So many reports are available under cost center heading. You can view the trial balances, account activities also. So this is the cost center feature. Party dashboard feature is available. Means when you create the sale, purchase, or any transaction, if you selecting any party, so all the previous history of this which is belongs to this party will show you on the screen. In a single window, you can view all the details of this party, like the last purchase, last sale, total pending amount, credit days also. So these details will show you in the dashboard window. In the single dashboard window, you can view the many details. So this is the party dashboard feature. Next, bank reconciliation. So bank reconciliation feature is available in Busy software. You can reconcile the bank statement and your books of bank in the software. So this feature is also available. You can reconcile your bank. You can match your bank statement, your bank match your bank balance as compared to in your books. Next is PDC checks transaction. So this feature is also available. You can create the PDC transaction in Busy software, and when due date will come, you can regularize the PDC details, PDC checks. PDC means post dated check. So you can define the post dated check in the transaction. As you know that two types of checks in the bank, like regular and PDC. So both type of checks transaction you can manage in the software. Check printing facility is also available. So at the time of payment, you can print the check directly from the software. So you can define the format. One time you have to design. And when you create the payment voucher, you can print the check directly from the software. So this is very important feature. If you are doing payment, you are doing many payment through check, so you can print the check directly from the software. Depreciation chart is also available. So as you know that in depreciation chart, you can see the fixed depreciation amount on fixed asset. So we have Companies Act and Income Tax Act, both the methods are available. You can enable the Companies Act option and from the account feature, and after that you can view the depreciation chart as per Companies Act or as per Income Tax Act. So both the acts are available. You can view the depreciation chart, and from the report, depreciation report, you can post the depreciation transaction, annually transaction directly from the report through a shortcut key. I will define you. Okay. Next is subledger. So subledger facility is also available. You can manage ledger as general and subledger. Suppose if you are selling your product to head office and branch office parties, so you can collect the payment from head office only. So this type of scenario you can manage through subledger feature. Multi-currency feature is also available. So multi-currency means if you are dealing with dollar, many currencies, like if you want to select the multiple currencies when you create the transaction, like dollar, euros, pound, so you can create these currencies and you can select in the transaction, and multi-currency report is also available. You can view the amount in alternate currency, in base currency also. So this facility is also available. So these all are the accounting feature. You can use this feature in your business or in your life. So that is for your easier for your uh, business transaction, business activities. Next topic is transaction. So transaction is sale purchase type is like central and local transaction. You know that we create two types of transaction, local and central. Local means if you dealing with, if you are selling your product within a state, and central means if you are selling your product, selling or purchasing your product out of state. So local transaction and central transaction, both the transaction you can manage. You can select the sale purchase type, and you can define the sale purchase type with tax rate in the transaction, in sale transaction, purchase transaction, sale return, purchase return. So you can compare the local sale and central sales also. So reports are also available. Your sales register, you can filter according to your local and central transaction. Next is item wise tax calculation, voucher wise tax calculation. This facility is also available. If you want to apply the GST on item level or voucher level, you can define. Both the options are available. And if you applying the GST on voucher level, then you can apply the tax through shortcut key. So F4 key you can press in the voucher, and tax will apply like CGST, SGST and IGST. These bill sundry will apply automatically after pressing this shortcut key. Next is, so how many reports are available in busy software for financial reports? Let me show you, let me tell you. So the first is balance sheet and P&L. So these first two reports. So as you know that the final report of any business is balance sheet and profit and loss. So this report is available in vertical mode, in horizontal mode, in multiple modes. So if you want to configure the balance sheet and profit and loss report according to your design, so that is also possible in busy software, because standard and configurable, both the reports are available in busy software. So standard report you can view as per your need, but if you want to design the report according to your format, you can configure that. Payment and receipt statement, you can see income and expenditure statement, you can see. So this report is also available. Trial balance, you can check all the account master transaction or balances, the last closing balances in the trial balance report. So this is very important report for business trial balance report. So you can view, this report is available. Accounting ledger, so you can view any account ledger, any specify any unique account statement of account like this. So this report is also available. Account ledger, you can view the opening balance, all the transaction, the closing balance. These details will come in the account ledger. You can view from the any account. Next, books. So multiple books reports are available, like day book, party day book, and cash book and bank book. So multiple books reports are available. You can view as per your need. Accounting register. So We have three types of voucher in the busy software. First is accounting voucher, second is inventory voucher, and third is dual voucher. Dual voucher means accounting plus inventory. So if you creating the transaction in accounting voucher, then only accounting will affect. Let me give an example, like a general transaction, payment transaction, receipt transaction, debit note, credit note. So these all vouchers, contra vouchers. So these all voucher belongs to accounting voucher, because only accounting will affect when you create the transaction in this voucher. Number two is inventory voucher. Inventory voucher is like material issue to party, material receive from party, stock transfer, stock generals, physical stock. So these vouchers belongs to inventory, because if you transacting any entry, if you creating any transaction in this voucher like material issue, material receive, stock transfer, stock general, physical stock, so only inventory will affect. And the last is dual voucher, means accounting and inventory both will affect if you creating the transaction in this voucher, like sales voucher, purchase voucher, sales return, purchase return. So these four vouchers belongs to dual voucher, means accounting plus inventory both will affect. So as per your voucher, you can view the register. So all the voucher register are available, like general register, payment register, receipt register, uh, sales register, purchase register, sales return, purchase return register. So all types of register are available in busy software, and this is available in standard format also. And if you want to configure, so columnar and custom column, both the options are available. You can design these register according to your requirement. Next is account activity report you can view. So you can check the activity of the account summaries you can view in the summarized level, and outstanding analysis. So if you are maintaining the bill by bill feature, so you can view the outstanding reports. This bill amount is pending, this bill amount is cleared. So these type of details you can check in the outstanding analysis report. Depreciation chart as per IT Act and Companies Act. So you can check the depreciation chart on fixed asset, depreciation amount on fixed asset, and you can directly post the depreciation entry from the depreciation chart by F4 shortcut key. And the last is MIS report, means miscellaneous report. So in the busy software, multiple miscellaneous reports are available, like cash flow statement, fund flow statement, sales analysis and purchase analysis, and ratio analysis, profitability report, voucher sequence report. So multiple miscellaneous reports are available, which is very important of your business, for your business. So I will show you in the practical demo these reports one by one. Next, come to the GST. So what feature we provide which is belongs to GST? So the GSTIN and HSN validation, this is very important feature and the most advanced feature of busy software, GSTIN and HSN validation. So first is check party GSTIN status. Sorry. So check party GSTIN status. This is very important feature. If you are creating the party master, if you're creating any account master or party master in busy software, and you define the GST, you entered the GST number in party account master. So when you enter the GST number, you can check the status by help this option GST validation. So after entering the GST number, you can click on validate option, and busy will show you this GST number is active, cancelled, invalid or other. So all the status you can view. So you can check this GST number is correct or not, or belongs to which party. So all the details will show you in the validation option. Next is create party from GST. So if you know the GST number of party, you can create the party master. Only you have to press F4 key, you have to enter GST number, and all the details will pick from your GST number, and you can create the masters within a second. I will show you in the practical demo. Validate GST single and multiple. So if you want to check in bulk which GST number is valid or invalid of your all the parties, like customer or your purchase party or sales party, so you can check in the single window. And validate GST, very important feature. You can check your party's GST number is correct or not. Check party return filing status. This is very important feature for you, for accountant only, or for accountant also, sorry. So check party return filing status means you can check the party return filing status in this report. So when you are purchasing, as you know that your input is depend on the seller GST, GSTR on filing. So you can check before the transaction, you can check this party filing the return on time or not. So party return filing status, you can check. I will show you in the practical demos. HSN validation. So you can search the HSN and SSC code for item for inventory, and you can validate in bulk, single and multiple. So this feature is also available, GSTIN and HSN. This is very advanced feature. All the details will pick from the portal, GST portal, and no need to go on portal manually. You can check these details in busy software. Next, GST queries and utilities. So we have the options for query on GST. You can check the party by the GST number. You can search also, and you can search at item from HSN code or from HSC code also. Update HSN SSC description in bulk. This feature is also available. And RCM management. So you can manage your RCM transaction. You can post directly from the report. Check post tax on advance receipt. So tax on advance receipt facility is also available. So you can create the transaction of advance receipt, and tax will apply automatically. Tax adjustment against advance. So this facility is also available. So you can use this feature. Next is GST reconciliation monthly and quarterly. So first of all, you have to download the JSON data of your all the return like GST1, 2A and 2B and 3B. So you have to download the JSON data from the portal. So automatic and manual, both options are available. You can download the data manual also, and automatic facility is also available. So after the downloading, you can reconcile your GSTR data. Means your data is matching from the portal or not. So GSTR1, GSTR2A, 2B, 3B, 2A, party wise, voucher wise, import, special economics, all the reports are available. All the reports of reconciliation is available. You have to open the report only, and status will show you this transaction is mismatch or not, summaries is mismatch or not. So automatic reconciliation is possible in busy software. You have to download the JSON data, and you can reconcile the returns in this software. No need to go on GST portal. So this feature is very important for taxation for GST. You can use this feature. And compare sales of GSTR1 and GSTR3B. So this facility is also available. This is a report, and you can view the report sales as per GSTR1 and as per GSTR3B. So you can view the report. Next is monthly ITC tagging. This is very important feature. And monthly ITC tagging, you can tag in the purchase transaction. You want to take claim the input on which month. So you can tag the ITC tagging in the purchase transaction on monthly. And after that, you can view as per your tagging, you can view the GSTR3B and claiming register. Multiple reports are available. So monthly ITC tagging as per GSTR2A, monthly ITC tagging as per GSTR2B, ITC claim summary, claim register, or a GST summary, GSTR3B report with ITC tagging. So after the tagging, after the ITC tagging, you can check the GST summary and GSTR3B report, and you can file the GSTR3B return also as per your monthly ITC tagging. And this feature is also available. Check purchase transaction status from ledger, purchase registered, bills payable report by F6 key. So when you open this report, like ledger report, purchase register report, bills payable report, so you can check the purchase transaction status. This transaction includes claimed or not. So all the details will show you in the window. You have to press only F6 key. I will show you in the practical demo also. Automatic generate e-way bill and e-way bill in simple way. So after the one-time configuration, you can generate your e-way bill automatically from the busy software. First is no need to go on portal generate e-way bill. So no need to go on GST portal. You can generate directly from the busy software if you want to generate the e-way bill. Error checking tool facilities available. So before generating the e-way bill, you can check the error or mistake in this window, error checking tools. So if any error is coming, you can correct the error and correct the mistake also. And after the correction, you can generate the e-way bill automatically. E-way bill number will be updated automatically in busy software. So after generating the e-way bill, the status and the number will automatically update in the transaction. E-way bill printing within Busy, so you can print directly from the software your e-way bill, and bulk mode option is also available. So if you want to generate the e-way bill in bulk, like end of the day you want to create the e-way bill in bulk, so this facility is also available. You can generate in bulk. E-invoice in Busy, as you know that the current E-invoice threshold limit is 10 crore, but with effect from 1st August 2023, this limit will be 5 crores. So if your sales turnover is more than 5 crores, then this is mandatory. You have to generate E-invoice. So E-invoice facility is also available in Busy software. First of all, auto generate e-invoice in a single step. After one-time configuration, you can generate your e-invoice directly from the software with very simple steps. Error checking tool facilities also available in e-invoice also. So when you generating the e-invoice, you can check the error checking tool, and if any mistake or error showing in the transaction, then you can view, you can correct. After the correction, you can generate the e-invoice directly from the software. Integrated with e-way bill. Suppose if in from a single transaction you want to generate e-invoice and e-way bill in single page, so you can generate integrated e-way bill is also available. This facility is also available. You can generate both e-invoice and e-way bill in the single document. Bulk mode option is also available, so you can generate e-invoice in bulk also. And user level control. So user level control, you can define the user right, sub-user can generate the invoice or not. So this control and restriction you can configure in your company. So this facility is also available in Busy software. GST report. So multiple GST reports are available. You can view as per your need. First is GST summary. So this is the detailed report. You can check each and every detail in the GST summary, and you can directly post the voucher also. So like automatic calculation or adjustment of taxes, all the transaction which belongs to GST payment or RCM payment or cross adjustment and input output adjustment. So these type of transaction you can post directly from the GST summary by F4 key. GST register. So multiple registers are available for GST. You can view these register as per your need, and you can configure also GST other reports and GST audit reports. So many reports are available which is belongs to GST. We can I will show you in the practical demo, and we can configure also these reports. So configurable and standard, both the reports are available. So you can view the standard report, and if you want to add another column, another information, you can add also. So this feature is also available. This is the GST summary. You can see the input GST, output GST on RCM. All the details are showing here. Tax calculation, opening balances, input GST, ITC adjustment, RCM input adjusted, output GST, regular tax adjustment, and last see GST payable. So this is the GST payable amount. So in the summary, you can see all the details are showing. This is tax audit report clause 44. So in this report, you can view all the expenditure details, like see. So expenditure from exempt dealer, from composition dealer, from registered dealer, total payment, unregistered, notional, all the details are showing column wise. So you can view the total expenditure report, tax audit report, clause 40. This report is not available in any other software. So we provide this report for the total expenditure of the business. Next is GST e-return filing. So for GST e-return filing, we have many options like direct upload, JSON format, CSV as per government template, plain Excel. So you can directly file your GST return on the portal. Directly upload option is available. JSON format. So if you want to generate the JSON file, and JSON file you want to upload on GST portal, so this feature is also available. You can generate JSON file also. CSV file you can generate as per government template, you can generate, and plain Excel. So both the options are, all the options are available. You can generate the e-return directly from the software, JSON format, CSV file, plain Excel, as per government template. All the facilities are available. So all the steps are very simple also. And error checking tool facilities also available in the software. So before generating your e-return, before filing your e-return, you can check the error checking tool window, and if any mistake and correction, mistake and issue or any problem is showing in the e-return, so busy will show you this is the mistake, you can correct this detail, and after the correction you can file your GST return. IFF return is also available if you are in QRMP, quarterly return monthly payment, in QRMP scheme. So if you comes under in this scheme, then you have to file IFF return, invoice furnished facility return. So this return is also available in Busy software. So you can file this return. Next is TDS TCS management. So if you want to manage TDS and TCS, tax deducted at source and tax collected at source, so these features also available. You can maintain the TDS on expense and 194Q section, TCS on sales and receipt 2060 section. Predefined categories available. So you have to only enable this option, and categories created by default, and no need to create. Next is Form 26Q with annexer TDS and Form 27Q with annexer TCS. So these forms are available in Busy software. No need to generate, no need to create manually. So this feature is also available. ETDS and ETCS. You can file the TDS and TCS return directly from the software. Other important features like these features you can also maintain for the accounting activities, like audit trail and user activity log. So as per the latest notification of MCA, all the companies has to maintain audit trail report. So this is the latest notification of MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and this facility is available. Audit trail report you can see, you can view in the Busy software, and all the transaction, all the activities of transaction will show in the audit trail report. User activity log you can view. Next is voucher auditing. Voucher auditing facility is also available. You can audit the vouchers one by one. Voucher replication facility is available, means if you want to duplicate the transaction, then you can create through a replication. Suppose let me give an example. Suppose your accounting transaction like a rent, office rent. So as you know that office rent transaction amount and all the details are same of all the months. So when you create the office rent transaction April month, and you can replicate in all the months. So all the office rent transaction will create in all the months from the single click. So voucher replication facility is available. Global search query. So you can search any feature from this option. Date-wise GSTIN rate and HSN code you can maintain in the item master. Data freezing facility is available. So after filing the return, you can freeze the data, and after freezing the data, no one can modify any transaction, any master, and any other things. Electronic cash and credit ledger report is also available. You can view as per your need. Data export import from Excel. So you can import the data from Excel, and you can export the data in Excel, in PDF, in XML, in Google Sheet also. So this facility is available. Configurable reports means standard reports are available, but if you want to configure any report, you can configure through custom column or columnar report option. Search, sort, filter, summarize data in any report. So when you open any report, searching, sorting, filtration, summarization, all the options are available. You can use this button. Auto data backup on Google Drive. So as you know that Busy is on-premise software, means desktop-based software. So your data is stored on the local system. So if you want to configure the auto backup on Google Drive, then your data will upload automatically from your system to Google Drive. So suppose if your system is lost or corrupt, so you can download the data from the Google Drive and you can continue your work. Connectivity with Google Drive, you can upload the document directly from the software from the directly from the software to Google Drive. So this facility is also available. You can export your reports in a Google Sheet also. Digital signature you can apply on the document. Interest calculation facility is available. So from outstanding analysis report, you can check this party is not giving the payment. You can charge the penalty and interest. You can calculate the interest on day basis. Split voucher facility is available. You can split the voucher like group wise, amount wise, and bulk payment and receipt. So you can transact the bulk payment and bulk transaction in single click. Multi-company report. So if you have multiple companies in your list, you can check the multi-company result report. Unmoved account you can see, and the mobile app is also available, mobile app facility. So you can view the multiple report on mobile app, and you can create the transaction also from the mobile app. So this is the feature. So these features you can use in your business, in your life. So when you use this feature, you can manage any data. You can maintain your accounting data, your accounting activities. You can maintain your taxation activities, and this is very easy for you. And let me show you some options in a practical demo. So this is my company, and let me show you some options. So like let me show you some reports. So this is the final result. You can see the balance sheet report. So see, all the details are showing in the balance sheet report. Horizontal and vertical, both the options are available. You can view the balance sheet and profit and report in vertical or horizontally. See, so this is the standard report, and if you want to configure, the configuration option is also available. This is profit and loss report, you can see, and you can enable these options for clarification. See, so details are showing. Payment and receipt. See, this is the payment and receipt. Account, income and expenditure, you can see. Trial balance report is available. See, all the accounts balance are showing, debit balance and credit balance. Outstanding analysis report, cost center report, you can see. So this is the transaction department. This is like account department, debit balance, credit balance. Outstanding analysis. See, bill wise you can check, and group wise also. See which transaction cleared or not. All the details are showing. These all transactions are credit basis. Bank reconciliation, you can see bank statement, reconciliation statement. What is your actual balance and what is your bank balance as per your ledger. You can cleared and uncleared entry balances, you can see. MI's report, cash flow statement, let me show you. So this is the cash flow statement of April month and May month. You can see the inflow and outflow details. Fund flow statement of all the months, inflow and outflow. Ratio analysis. See, this is the ratio analysis report. Budget variance report, you can see. So multiple reports of multiple reports are available in Busy software. These reports you can view as per your need, and if you want to add any column, any information in the report, so the configurable option is also available. You can configure the report according to your requirement. Next is let me show you the E-Invoice and e-way bill, how to generate. So see, after the configuration, when you create the sales transaction, this is the sales voucher, apply the tax, and this is the transport window. You can define the detail, vehicle number and GRR number, pin code and station places. All the details you can specify in this window. And after the adding the transaction, this window appears. Do you want to generate e-invoice? Click on automatic and see. This is the error checking tool. You can see if any error is coming in the transaction, you can check through this tool, and after this you can generate the e-invoice very fastly. See, e-invoice generated, and you can print directly from the software. See, so this is the e-invoice you can print, and after August 2023, all the companies, if your limit is exceeding your threshold, sales turnover limit is exceeding is more than 5 crore, then this is mandatory. You have to generate e-invoice. Next, if you want to generate e-way bill, so this is also available with very simple step. Let me show you. Error checking tool, you can see, and proceed. This is your e-way bill, and you can print directly from the software. No need to go on GST portal. See, this is the e-way bill print. You can print. You can give this print to the transporter, and you can transport your material or out of state or within a state. Let me show you the bulk option also. So this is the e-way bill and e-invoice management fee option, and you can check the audit report also. See, these transactions are pending for e-way bill and e-invoice audit report. You can see. See, so these transactions are pending for e-invoice and e-way bill. So you can generate e-way bill in bulk mode also. See, select the transaction and click on generate e-way bill. So see, with simple steps, you can generate e-way bill directly. See, all the transaction completed and e-way bill generated. So this is the option. This is the feature of e-invoice and e-way bill. Automatic JSON, both the options are available, so you can generate directly from the software. Next, the GSTR filing. So let me show you the filing, how to file the GST returns. So you have to go in display, GST report, GST return summary. Let me show you first. This is the GST summary report, like 1st of April to 30th April. This is the GST summary. See, output GST details are showing, input details are showing, and you can press F4 key. So after pressing F4 key, post voucher. See, post voucher options window are showing, and you can directly post the voucher of RCM payment, RCM regular adjustment, input output adjustment, cross adjustment. So these transaction you can post directly from this report, like input output adjustment. Let me show you in another company, the top feature for content. See, so this is the GST summary report. Let me open 1st April to 30th April and press F4 key, input output adjustment. Now see, click on save. General voucher will open automatically, and all the amount are coming automatically. Only you have to save the transaction. So your input output adjustment transaction is created. Next, cross adjustment. So cross adjustment you can directly post, and regular GST payment. So these all the transaction you can post directly from the GST summary. See, So all the details will pick, and after the adjustment, the GST payment transaction you can create directly from the GST summary. GST audit report, let me show you. Clause 44. See, so all the details are showing all the expenditure detail, transaction from registered dealer, composite dealer, or total payment unregistered dealer. So all the details are showing here, and you can check the total expenditure of the business in this report. This report is not available in any software. Next, see, the many GST reports are available, like GST register, GST returns, GST summaries. So you can see more than 50 reports are available, which is belongs to GST. You can view as per your need. And if you want to add any column, you can add also. Next, how to file the GSTR1. So you have to follow some steps. You have to go in, first you have to go in configuration, GSTIN VAT, and you have to specify your GST portal username. After entering the GST portal username, you can go in display and click on GST reports, see GST returns, and enter on this option. See, this is the GSTR1. You can verify the GSTR1, like transaction, B2B transaction, B2C transaction, B2C small transaction, and all the details you can verify in the GSTR1 report. After the verification, you can file the e-return. So you have to go in GSTR1 e-return, and you can use the latest template. So latest template is this. See, after entering this option, so all the options are showing here. Direct upload JSON CSV as per government template plain Excel. When you enter on direct upload, your return will file on the portal directly, and you can open the GST portal and you can file the return. If you want to generate the JSON file, you can select the second option, and after selecting the JSON option, you can select the path like desktop. Okay, proceed with JSON, and see, this is the JSON file. You can upload this JSON file on the GST portal, and you can you can file your GST return. Monthly ITC tagging and GST reconciliation. Let me show you this feature also. See, this is my company. And first, let me show you the reconciliation option. So first of all, for reconciliation, you have to go in GST configuration and specify your GST portal name. After that, you have to download the GSTR data. So you have to go in transaction, GST miscellaneous utility, GSTR JSON data. You can download one by one all the JSON data like GSTR 1, 2, 2A, 2B, and 3B. After downloading, you can reconcile the transaction. So this is the report. Let me show you GSTR 1 quarterly, first quarter, like April to June. See, so transaction is showing, means your transactions, your details are matching. See, as per busy and as per JSON. So all the details are matching. And let me show you the GSTR 3B report, quarterly, first to fourth quarter. So total annually reports are opening, and details are showing. Let me open a first quarter only, because report size is high. See, so this is GSTR 3B, and after downloading, you can check the reconciliation. You can match. See, difference are showing in this reference. This transaction is available in busy, but not in JSON. So difference are showing. So you can reconcile the summary and the detail directly in busy software from the portal. Monthly ITC tagging. So you can see this feature, and suppose this is my February month transaction, February month purchase transaction. You can press F4 key in front of transaction, and status you can see. So you can check you want to claim this transaction in which month. You can tag the month, and after the tagging, You can view ITC claiming and claimed register. And as per your tagging, you can check GST summary. See, this is option pick relevant ITC from monthly ITC tagging. So after the tagging, you can enable this option and you can check the report with monthly ITC tagging. So these are the options. These are the features you can use in busy software, and most advanced features are available. You can use this feature. For further assistance, call to our help desk. Details you can see on my screen. Contact number is 5x82. Email ID support@busy.in. So you can contact 24/7 support is available of busy software. Thank you very much for joining this webinar.